fuck, dude? It's biting the shit out of me, dude. Get it out, please, please, please.
All right, let go.
Just pour beer in it. Pour beer in it.
Ow, fuck, dude, it hurts.
Here.
You need a flush.
Yeah. I can feel it going down every time I go that way. Get it the fuck out. Get it.
I can't if you're
Ow.
Oh, if you turn your head.
Fuck.
All right. Isn't this the second time there's been a bug in your ear?
Yeah, it's biting the shit out of me. Ow.
All right, you gotta go to the emergency room.
Oh my god. Oh my god, get it out. Please, 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 please.
I can't get it out. I don't have anything to get it out
It
with.
was just coming out, man. Fuck. Ow, fuck. Ow. Ow. Oh my god, dude, please. Fucking get it out.
How am I supposed to?
Ow.
You put like a stick in there or something?
It's biting me, dude. Please, please,
Here.
please.
Chris.
Put the stick and just try to like.
Yeah, try to pull them out.
Oh, come on.
I can't do that. That's gonna hurt him.
Oh my god.
All right.